Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, just make sure that you've got the picture highlighted. We can take a look at this option bar, and right now in this position the timer option is located in the left down corner, lower corner. But let me turn the device, and as you can see right now it is in the left upper corner. So let's tap on it, and as you can see after tapping we've got actually three different options. So we've got the off option, which is right now obviously applied, it is highlighted, but we can set also 3 or 10 seconds delay. So I will pick 10 seconds delay, so just tap on it. And as you can see after getting back, you can see that this option is highlighted, so which means that it has been set. So right now we can let me just slide this device to show you the shutter button. Inside of it we've got the exact countdown, so we've got the exact option we've set. So let's tap on the timer, on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. As you can see, it is also counting right in the middle of the camera. Okay, so we've heard this characteristic sound, it means that we just took a picture. So let me check 3 seconds delay, and as you can see after getting back to the shutter button we can see that we've got 3 seconds delay. So the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. So we can of course turn it off, just tap on off option, and as you can see the shutter button is empty, so your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your REALME Pad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.